Welcome to Gaming Fiend, your channel for everything related to the gaming industry and the financial markets. My name is Mr. Rand. So, guys, today I will provide you and discuss quickly this beautiful move that we see today in CDProjekt Red, which has the ticker symbol CDR at the Warsaw Exchange, so in Poland. But you can also, my friends, you can trade it in the US as an OTC over-the-counter under the ticker OTGLY. So you can see here the chart. So it's opening a little bit later, of course. So we are now at the Warsaw. Here, this is the chart of the Warsaw Stock Exchange. So disclaimer: I'm personally invested in the company. Besides of this, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, just a retail investor and YouTuber that like to share his opinion. This is for information, education purposes only. So if you enjoyed this video, so comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. This would make me very happy. So then I would say, let's go, guys. So first we have a look at the chart today, and you can see a 3.59% move today. This is a very impressive, great move. So great move to the upside. And at one point, my friends, we even here, I'm clicking on the 1 day now, we even broke the 200 zloty. So what is 1 zloty? 1 zloty is a quarter dollar, so 0.25 US dollars, guys. So date range, no, it's not working. It's always so slow. Overall, the gaming sector performed actually really good today. We can see this also with some other European gaming companies, like for example Embracer. We can see they had a nice move today, and I expect also some of the American companies also coming and performing nice today, guys. So here you can see Embracer 2.86% as well, also a nice upward trend. So guys, if you're interested, I will make an Embracer short, as not a short video but short selling, but a quick analysis in the upcoming days, or even today, we will see. So Embracer Group, incredible group. So here already a little heads up what we can talk about, the financial operation highlights, etc. So guys, let's come back to CDProjekt. So let's also talk a little bit. I mean, the chart looks overall nice. You know this chart, so I'm talked about it already in my previous video. So I think we are back actually in the slow growth, in the slow chart growth between 215 and 150 zlotys. Let's put it like this. So in this range, everything can happen. So if this is sustainable, we will see. So let's go and jump a little bit to some background information about CDProjekt, because overall there was a lot of negativity. So what is CDProjekt? CDProjekt Group divides its business into the following divisions. We have the CDProjekt Red, so those are the AAA titles like The Witcher and Cyberpunk, and then we have GOG, which has been called previously Good Old Games and is a game distribution platform. Then we have Spoko, SPOKKO, mobile games development. So revenue generation, so let's come a little bit again to the financials. Revenue generation at CDProjekt is strongly dependent on the releases they make. You can clearly see from the sales chart in which year releases were made and how much revenue and earnings were made. So here you can see this here in 2020, you see this was the release actually of Cyberpunk. So revenue up to 2.14 billion US dollars and zloty, sorry, and earnings then to 1.15 billion zloty. So despite the fact that Cyberpunk 2077 was extremely punished, they earned, and we can see this here actually in the chart. Oh, Embracer here, this is the chart when Cyberpunk came out. So Cyberpunk was extremely punished. They earned then in 2020 a turnover of 2.1 billion zloty, which is around about 400 million euros or 511 million US dollars. So a whopping 310% more than in 2019. In terms of profit, so I showed you this already here. This is the difference with Cyberpunk. So in terms of profit, it looks similar. 1.1 billion zloty, about 300 million euros and 340 million US dollars, a whopping 550% more than in 2019. So also pretty impressive, guys, if you ask me. So it is probably clear that such growth rates cannot be sustained for very long. However, there are some interesting aspects that CDProjekt will address going forward. Among them is that they want to significantly expand their existing franchises and produce high-value video games. So they will still be expanding their mobile game division in 2021 with The Witcher Monster Slayer, which is going to be a game in the style of Pokemon Go, which we know has experienced and still experience an extreme hype, is popular. So then there is still the Witcher Netflix series, guys. So I'm sure you've seen that's the season 2 is just out. This has nothing directly to do with CDProjekt, but because it's produced and distributed elsewhere, but you can clearly see that this has an impact. And there we have seen on gaming pages, we have seen a lot of positive news that actually the numbers of players in Witcher 3 on Steam went up a lot since people were watching the series again. And I'm a gamer myself, so I had the impression as well I wanted to go back and play some Witcher 3. It's fantastic. So, and recently also CDProjekt has paid a dividend, so as I'm invested in CDProjekt, I received a dividend. So I think also this is a strong sign, or as a sign of a strong balance sheet and some nice revenues. So guys, let's jump back to the chart. With the move up today, it looks good to get a breakout and coming back in the old growth pattern. As I said, personally, I see a lot of potential here in CDProjekt and think about adding a little bit to my overall position, which is at the moment 1.66% of my overall portfolio so this is what I already have in CDProjekt. So it's very important, guys, that you're always very nicely diversified. So I would not YOLO any money now in CDProjekt. It's still for me a very risky investment. There's a lot of downside. Here, but on the other hand, if this here holds, my friends, if this holds this nice trend, which started in 2016, mid-16, when Cyberpunk 2077 was announced, if this holds, then I think we can see some nice upward potential. And days like today, when we break the 200 zlotys, it's just impressive. Then guys, I'm very positive in this sense. So of course, make your own research. Don't buy anything that any YouTuber talks about. Of course, my friends, that's how it goes. And with this, I'm leaving it here, my friends. I wish you a wonderful trading day. See you the next time. Bye bye.